Today, we will gently cleanse the skin, remove blackheads, treat pimples, and restore balance using careful, hygienic, and professional techniques. This process is not about force, it is about patience, it is about listening to the skin. Every step matters. Step 1. Preparing the environment. Before touching the skin, preparation is essential. The room is clean, quiet, and calm. Lighting is soft but clear, allowing us to see every detail of the skin. All tools are sanitized thoroughly using medical-grade disinfectant. Hands are washed for at least 30 seconds. Gloves are worn to prevent bacteria transfer. The face is free from makeup, sunscreen, or surface impurities. This creates a safe foundation for deep cleansing. Step 2. Skin analysis. We begin by observing the skin closely. Notice the texture, look at the pores, identify blackheads, whiteheads, inflamed pimples, and sensitive areas. Blackheads appear as dark plugs caused by oxidized oil. Whiteheads are trapped sebum beneath the surface. Inflamed pimples show redness, swelling, or tenderness. We never treat everything at once. We work section by section. Understanding the skin is the first step toward healing it. Step 3. Gentle pre-cleanse. A mild, sulfate-free cleanser is applied. Using circular motions, the cleanser dissolves surface oil, dirt, and pollution. This step prepares the pores for deeper work. The massage is slow and even, no pressure, no rushing. After 1 full minute, the cleanser is gently removed with warm water or a soft towel. The skin already feels lighter. Step 4. Steam therapy. Warm steam is introduced to the face. Steam opens the pores naturally. It softens hardened oil inside blackheads. It improves circulation and oxygen flow. The steam lasts for 5 to 8 minutes, not too close, not too hot. You may feel warmth, never burning. This step makes extraction safer and less painful. Step 5. Antiseptic skin prep. After steaming, the skin is patted dry. An antiseptic toner or solution is applied. This reduces bacteria and prepares the skin for extraction. This step is crucial for preventing post-extraction breakouts. The skin is now calm, open, and ready. Step 6. Beginning blackhead extraction. We start with the least sensitive areas, usually the nose. A sterile extractor tool is positioned gently over the blackhead. Pressure is slow and controlled. Never force, never squeeze harshly. As pressure is applied, the blackhead begins to rise. Oxidized oil releases smoothly from the pore. Once removed, the area is cleaned immediately. Each extraction is followed by antiseptic care. Step 7. Detailed nose cleansing. The nose often contains deep, stubborn blackheads. We work 1 pore at a time. Each extraction is intentional. Some blackheads release instantly, others require patience. If a blackhead does not release easily, we move on. Forcing causes damage. Healthy skin is the priority. Step 8. Chin and jawline area. The chin and jawline often hold hormonal congestion. Pressure is reduced here. Skin is more sensitive. Whiteheads may appear firm but should only be extracted if ready. Inflamed pimples are not popped. They treated later with calming solutions. Respecting the skin prevents scarring. Step 9. Cheeks. Gentle zone. Cheek skin is delicate. Only surface-level blackheads are removed. No deep digging. If resistance is felt, stop immediately. After extractions, a soothing toner is applied. The skin is always supported after treatment. Step 10. Forehead cleansing. The forehead contains sweat and oil buildup. Blackheads here are often small but numerous. Using light pressure, we clear each pore carefully. The skin begins to look smoother and more refined. Step 11. Handling whiteheads safely. Whiteheads require precision. Only mature whiteheads are treated. The surface is gently opened with a sterile lancet. Minimal pressure releases the trapped content. Immediately after, antiseptic solution is applied. No redness, no trauma. Step 12. Pimple treatment. What not to pop. Inflamed, red pimples should never be popped. Popping causes DOTA scarring, or infection, a dark spots, a prolonged healing. Instead, we apply DOTA anti-inflammatory serum, a salicylic acid spot treatment, or cooling gel. This reduces swelling naturally. Step 13. Deep pore cleansing mask. A clay or charcoal mask is applied evenly. This mask, DOTA absorbs excess oil, pulls out remaining impurities, tightens pores. The mask rests for 10 to 15 minutes. The skin relaxes during this phase. Step 14. Mask removal. The mask is removed with lukewarm water, gentle motions only, no scrubbing. The skin now feels clean, fresh, and breathable. Step 15. Soothing toner application. A calming toner restores pH balance. It closes pores gently. It refreshes the skin. Pat, do not rub. Step 16. Healing serum. A lightweight serum is applied. Ingredients may include DOTA niacinamide, a centella asiatica, a hyaluronic acid. This promotes healing and hydration. Step 17. Cooling massage. Using clean fingers or a jade roller, we massage the face. Upward movements improve circulation. Cooling reduces redness. This step is deeply relaxing. Step 18. Moisturizing barrier repair. A non-comedogenic moisturizer seals hydration. This protects the skin barrier. Healthy skin heals faster. Step 19. Sun protection reminder. After deep cleansing, sunscreen is essential. Fresh skin is sensitive to UV rays. Protection prevents dark spots and damage. Step 20. Aftercare advice. Voiceover. For the next 24 hours, avoid makeup. Or avoid touching the face, or avoid heat and sweating. Keep skin clean and moisturized. Drink water. Sleep well. Step 21. Advanced acne care explanation. Consistent skincare beats aggressive treatment. Regular cleansing, weekly exfoliation, balanced diet, stress management. Acne is a journey, not a one-day fix. Step 22. Cooling compress application. A clean, cool compress is gently placed on the face. Cooling helps to reduce redness, calm inflammation, soothe stressed skin. The compress stays in place for several minutes. The skin temperature slowly returns to normal. Step 23. Antibacterial protection layer. A light antibacterial solution is applied. This protects freshly cleaned pores from infection. It creates a clean shield over the skin. No stinging, no burning, only gentle protection. Step 24. Pore tightening treatment. A pore tightening toner is softly patted onto the skin. This step minimizes enlarged pores, reduces oil flow, helps skin look smoother, pores begin to close naturally. Step 25. Redness control serum. A calming serum is applied to areas that were extracted. Ingredients such as aloe vera, centella, green tea work together to reduce redness. The skin starts to look calmer and more even. Step 26. Acne spot treatment. Non-popping method. Active pimples are treated, not popped. A targeted spot treatment is placed directly on inflamed areas. This reduces bacteria under the skin without damage. Healing happens beneath the surface. Step 27. Barrier repair hydration. Hydration is essential after deep cleansing. A lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer is gently pressed into the skin. This restores moisture balance, skin barrier strength, elasticity. Healthy skin heals faster. Step 28. Gentle lymphatic massage. Using slow, upward strokes, a light massage is performed. This encourages lymphatic drainage. Toxins move away naturally. The massage is soft and rhythmic attachment. Relaxation deepens. Step 29. Oil control strategy explanation. Excess oil does not mean dirty skin. Over-cleansing causes more oil production. Balance is key. Gentle cleansing morning and night keeps oil under control. Step 30. Acne-safe skincare routine reminder. Consistency matters more than intensity. A simple routine, a cleanser or treatment, a moisturizer, a sunscreen is better than harsh products. Step 31. Warning against over-extraction. Over-extraction damages pores permanently. Stretched pores do not shrink easily. Less popping equals healthier skin. Patience protects your face. Step 32. Scar prevention awareness. Picking pimples causes scars. Scars take months to fade. Avoiding trauma saves time and skin confidence. Step 33. Post-treatment skin sensitivity. After deep cleansing, skin is fragile. Avoid makeup for 24 hours. As sun exposure, heat and sweating, gentle care is required. Step 34. Importance of sunscreen. Fresh skin is vulnerable to UV damage. Daily sunscreen prevents dark spots, a hyperpigmentation, a premature aging. Protection is non-negotiable. Step 35. Hydration from within. Water supports skin repair. Hydration flushes toxins naturally. Clear skin begins inside the body. Take one more deep breath. Your skin is clean, your pores can breathe, your face is calm. Thank you for trusting this skincare journey. Relax, hydrate, and remember, beautiful skin begins with care, not force.